In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Apple Music customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and then go to apple.com. Now from here, you want to click on the two horizontal bars, which is the top right-hand corner of the page, and then look all the way down below and you'll see support right down the bottom of the page. And now from here, scroll down again and then click on where it says under get help, it's got contact us. Click on contact us. And now from here, under where it says tell us what's happening, say you'd like to speak to Apple Music customer support. Now once you've done that, go ahead and press enter to search. So I'm going to click on go on my keypad. And now as you can see, when Apple Music is here, and now choose which best describes your situation and why you want to contact customer support. If you've got setup and usage issues, click on that. Playing and saving songs, radio, family sharing, Apple Music on Android. So I'm going to click on Apple Music on Android, and then it'll say see your support options, and then go ahead and click on continue. Now from here, we got a couple of different ways. So we can give them a call, wait time is 2 minutes or less, or alternatively we can give them a live chat, which is wait time 2 minutes or less as well.